Welcome to Ventures with Vicky and Shelly. So today we are Harleying it up. Yeah. We came to here in Johnson City Wrecking Crew Harley Davidson. They're having a big thing today, so new hat, love it. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. They're gonna have like a bike show and some music and different things like that. And then I think we're gonna go eat somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. We're saying Farmer's Daughter, depending on time, I think. But we're going somewhere, and that's what we're doing. So we'll just take you around and let you look at some of these bikes. Why do my ears look like they're sticking out like really bad? Oh well.
Sand knives, the Damascus, the leather work, it's all me laying here.
Alright. How long does it take you to make one of these big knives?
I do batches of 10 or 12. It takes me about a week to make my sand knife Damascus before I can even think about turning it into a knife.
Fantastic. And guys, I just bought a knife and I'll show you later. He has some small pages, they're beautiful. How can they find you? JB Blades, guys, Jeff Bush. Please look them up. I love my knife. They do great work here. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Alright, so I wish I could do smell-o-vision right here because we've just pulled into the Farmer's Daughter. This is, I think, considered Chuckey, Tennessee, and oh my God, we got a guy over here doing some smoking, and the smell is unbelievable. So we're gonna go in. There's also a place over here called Mountain View, and they have cheeses. It's like a country market, meats and stuff, so we're gonna go in there too. So farmers market.
It's been a beautiful ride.
Very windy today, like slinging you everywhere, so we came on the back roads here. Beautiful ride. I tried to film some of it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not because it was just so windy.
I got some too.
Did you? Okay, good. Excuse me. So hopefully we'll have some good video. But either way, beautiful, beautiful day. I'm excited to eat. We haven't really ate a lot, but here we are. Let's check it out. I have no idea what this thing is.
Flower packer.
Is that what that is? Flower packer. Okay. Looks like the old machines I used to work at when I worked at a chemical plant. Sling them bags under it and fill it, and then, yeah. That's cool. Okay. So we've got bread out.
Really? Oh, I'm gonna have to get
Some
one.
rolls and cornbread and some nice looking butter.
Yes, you do.
Easton loves to cook, as you'll see.
I think Easton's grows upside down.
Cajun catfish, country fried steak and gravy. What's that? Apples. Yum. Lots of food.
I am in heaven. I've got cabbage and pincer beans. Oh.
Green beans. Cornbread salad.
You also get dessert. So I had the eclair cake. Okay, and I've had banana pudding. And I had
Butterscotch pie.
yeah,
Me and Easton are having coconut cream pie.
coconut cream pie. Easton, does Easton like it? Let's see. Is it a win? I guess so.
I give it.
Stop.
Come on, girl. I want you to break it down now. Come on. Love it. What'd you think?
It was delicious.
Is it, would you come back? Yeah.
And it was a beautiful ride, too.
Yeah. Very pretty ride. Yeah.
It was delicious.
What's that?
That's a lot of food.
A lot of food. A lot of food. Well, we're gonna go next door to this little place called Mountain View. No idea what they have. Yeah, I think it's like an Amish store. We'll see. Okay. Did we have a good day yesterday?
Had a great day yesterday.
Had a really good day just riding. It was so windy though. We couldn't stay on the bikes very long for the wind.
No,
it was awful. So, but we're gonna shut that one down and just say thank you for joining with us. And we're not sure how much traveling we're gonna get to do. I'll be honest, I've got some family sickness going on and we're gonna do our very best to post as much as we possibly can. So if you could please follow us, we would greatly appreciate it. Like the videos if you like them, and let's go on another venture. Yeah,
absolutely.
bye.